friends, today we're making our own weighing scale. So, in your learning packet, get the plastic cups with the yarn inside, and then a spare clothes hanger. It's very simple. So, get your yarn and cut 6 pieces of long yarn as long as your arm, so this long, and 6 pieces of it. And it's very easy. Just get your cups, and on your cups you will see 3 holes. You have to tie the yarn on the holes like this. So get the yarn, and then put it inside the hole and then tie. If you can't make a knot, ask help from adults. Okay. So, I will show you how to tie a knot in case you don't know. So just put your yarn. So for you to tie a knot, this together and then crisscross. And then if you have crisscross, insert the yarn inside the hole and then pull it, and then crisscross again, inside the hole and then pull it. Do it 6 times on each of every hole of your plastic cap. Insert in the hole, crisscross, and then insert, put it here inside here, and then pull. Crisscross, insert inside, and then pull. Okay, we are done on the first cup. We're going to the second one. Now our cups are ready. 1 and 2 cups. So get the first cup and tie a knot at the end of the string. So get your cup here and your string, and then tie a knot. So you join them together, make a circle, insert inside the circle, and then pull it, and then cut the excess. Now your cup will look like this. Then get the other one. See how long it is. It should be the same length here. And then tie it. Perfect. Next, now you have 2 cups with the string. Cut the excess. Then get your hanger and just put the other end here on the hook, and then the other side hook. And then here you go. You have a weighing scale. Now, to use a weighing scale, just hook it on a doorknob like this or something that it will hang, and then put your objects. Notice that it will tilt to whatever is heavy. So there, you have a weighing scale. My stump is heavier than my marker. Good job.